Plenty people dey believe say dem sabi Nigeria well. But today, I wan show una 5 things wey una no sabi about Nigeria. So I wan make una relax and watch this video so that you go learn. Welcome to my page, the house of inspiration, motivation, information and entertainment. Make sure say you follow this page. Nigerians na very lovely people, and e get plenty special things about Nigeria wey we no sabi before. Number 1, dem bury Queen of Sheba of the Bible around Ijebu Ode for Ogun State for Nigeria. Plenty people no sabi say dem bury Queen of Sheba of the Bible for Yoruba land, and her name na Bilikin Sungbon. Based on the story for Bible, Queen of Sheba na ruler for her place, and she carry plenty spices plus better things go meet King Solomon when she hear about King Solomon wisdom. If you go the place where dem bury Queen of Sheba for Ijebu Ode for Ogun State, you go see plenty Oyibo people and plenty people wey like travel. Dem dey come visit the place. Even British scientists don confirm say e be like say na there be the place where dem bury Queen of Sheba. And for those people wey like travel, just in case you travel come Lagos, Nigeria, and you need better hotel to stay for Lekki, you fit visit East Gate Hotel for number 4, Dreamworld Africana Way, Eleganza Bus Stop, Lekki, Lagos. Number 2, the most expensive Nigerian artwork na by Njideka Akuliyi. The title of the artwork na Bush Babies. For 2017, this artwork sell for $3.4 million. With the exchange rate for now, the price of that artwork for Naira go be about 2.5 billion Naira. Omo, no be small money be that o. Pepper don rest. Number 3, na Nigerian man invents the fastest computer for the world. Philip Emeagwali na Nigerian man wey dey born for 1954. Na him design the program and the formula for the fastest computer for the world. Dem dey call this man the Bill Gates of Africa. Number 4, Nigerian town wey get twins pass for the world. Igbo-Ora na town wey dey for Ibarapa Central for Oyo State. Dem dey call this town the capital of twins for the world. Baba God bless these people with twins well. The people believe say na the kind food wey dem dey chop na im make dem dey born twins well. For Igbo-Ora, 158 out of 1,000 pikin wey dem born na twins. And dem even get festival for twins. Number 5, special bird wey dey for Nigeria. E get one bird wey dem dey call Anambra Maxbill. This bird fine well and e get better colors. Dem only fit see this bird for southern Nigeria, and dem no fit see this bird for any other part of the world. If you know say you enjoy this documentary well, abeg follow this page, like, comment and share this video. Thank you.